Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can turn on underline links on Slack. Maybe you want links to be underlined on Slack but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can turn on underline links on Slack. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. Once you open it, you will see here the U icon. Tap on this U icon at the lower right corner of your screen. From here, you will see the preferences. Tap on these preferences. And then in here, under the accessibility, you will see the underlined links. Websites and hyperlinks will be underlined in conversation. To turn this on, simply toggle this button to the right. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can turn on underline links on Slacks, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can turn on these underline links on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.